Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Gamepass on Roblox. So here in your settings in your Roblox, you'll have to do a creation. So you'll have to do create, but you'll need a creator account for that, of course, in the creator hub. So here, creating passes. So here you will have to have a 5 by 12 pixel for your pass right here. It's gonna end up looking like this, into this, and this, into this. So before you can create a pass, of course, you must publish your experiences in Roblox. So you'll have at least 3 places for publishing your experiences. So you will release this to the wider audience so that they'll be able to use it. So once that, you will have the paid access beta as right here so that you will have the passes right here. So this will include relevant content in your passes such as this. So it's gonna be supposed to be related to your game. So here, as it said, navigate their creations and creator dashboard, and then in the monetization, you will select the passes. Create a pass button, upload the photo and the title and the name and the description, of course, and there you go. That's how you create a pass such as this one that is here. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.